Now that you've finished watching how the liquid wax was made, we will now going to show you clips in the time we are testing the product. Let's start first with the first objective of the study, which is the acceptability of the product with the first indicator, odor.
Do not be biased. We have gathered 2 observers to ensure you the definite scent of our product. Here are the clips during the observation. As you can see, we've given them the product and a lemon basil leaf for better smell recognition.
Does the product smells like lemon basil?
Yes, it smells the same.
Yes! Now, for the next indicator, texture. Is the texture of the product highly acceptable? It is highly acceptable if the product is just like the consistency of water and not sticky. This is the researcher's product, and as you can see, the texture is very fluid.
Next, for the third indicator, we have the color. Is the color of the product highly acceptable? It is highly acceptable if the product's color is light green. Here is the product.
Okay, for the fourth indicator, which is the filtering process. Is the product free from portions of banana stalk and lemon basils during its 1-hour resting phase? Okay, now it's been 1 hour since the product has been sitting here. We're now gonna measure the resting residues of the product using a ruler. So as you may observe, there is 1 millimeter of residues resting in the container, which falls upon the acceptable criteria. Lastly, for the fifth indicator, which is the overall acceptability of the product. Overall, is the product highly acceptable? You may count the number of highly acceptable that you mark in this first objective.
Okay, we are now done for the first objective of the study. You now click the next button below to watch the objective number 2. You're doing great, respondents!